Have you ever bought a microcontroller only to realize it doesn't fit your project's footprint or lacks the right ports? It is a common mistake that every maker faces at least once, usually right after the excitement of a new project idea wears off. Today we are looking at the M5Stack ATOM Lite. It is a compact, ESP32 based development kit designed for those who need a lot of power in a very small package. It is popular for its simplicity, but there are some specific things you should check before picking one up. The biggest mistake people make is ignoring physical constraints. Because this board is so small, it has a limited number of GPIO pins. If your project requires a dozen sensors, this tiny board might not be the right choice, regardless of how capable the ESP32 PicoD4 chip actually is. Before you buy, confirm your project's software ecosystem. This board is excellent for projects using the Arduino IDE or MicroPython, but always double-check that your specific libraries support this hardware variant to avoid long debugging sessions later on. What is it good for? It is perfect for small IoT nodes, simple remote controls, or wearable prototypes where weight is a factor. Its size makes it very easy to hide inside enclosures, which is a huge plus if you are building something that needs to look polished. Currently, you might see this listed with significant discounts, sometimes up to 50% off. While that sounds great, remember that price isn't everything. Factor in the cost of necessary accessories like specific cables or breakout boards before you calculate your total budget. Here is a quick checklist. Do you need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth? Does it fit in your enclosure? Do you have the right interface cables? If you answer yes to these, you are in a good spot. If you aren't sure, don't rush the checkout process. It is always helpful to look at how many people are using a board. With over 300 orders, it shows that other makers are actively using it, which usually means there is a good amount of community support and documentation available online if you get stuck. Ultimately, the best development board is the one that actually works for your specific use case. Don't let a low price tag override your technical requirements. Take a minute to compare the specs against your project goals before you commit. If you are ready to start your next build, check the product details, look at the latest pricing, and compare it with other variants. Taking that extra moment of due diligence makes all the difference in your final result. Happy building!